Hey everyone, Card Beast here. Today I'll be opening up this Rayquaza Steam Siege Blister Pack. Now in this blister pack you get the coin, the Rayquaza promo card, and 3 Steam Siege booster packs. Now I've seen a few people open up this series set, and the pulls haven't been too great. They've been average at best. So we can see if we can, break that thing there. Just bear with me while I open up this blister pack. I've always had trouble opening these up. Alright, here we go. Here is the coin with the Torchic, Mudkip, and Trico there. Pretty cool looking. The Rayquaza promo card. It is XY141. And here are the 3 booster packs. I'll start with the Guard of Life pack first. Oh, that was a bit easier. Alright, we've got a special charge. Not too many cards. Monferno, Leoredo, Fletchling, Seedot, Drifloon, Meryl, Shellos, Probopass reverse, and a Jumpluff regular rare. Now I've still got a cold, as you can tell my voice is still a bit, sniffly and whatever. Okay, I'm not gonna touch down there actually. Alright, we got a Nuzleaf, Steelix Spirit Link, Clang, Litleo, Sneasel, Yanma, Apom, Clawcher, Skiploom reverse, and a Talonflame regular rare. So this series setting up is like, I don't know, seems to be not so great. The last couple of sets have been pretty good, pulls wise, but this one seems to be really, seems to have gone back to, what used to be like back in Diamond and Pearl kind of sets. You don't get very many EXs or anything like that. Alright, got Lampet, Apom, Ampom, Flaffy, Joltik, Mantine, Clink, Ponyta, Pawniard, Meryl reverse, and another EX, and a Hydrogen Holo. So I always saw Holo, but would have preferred a EX, but it's good enough, I suppose. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.